Today is my graduation. I'm graduating from college and I thought I would just vlog this because I feel like this is an important thing in my life. I feel like I try to document a lot of things like vacations that we go on, and I don't know. I kind of just felt like I should film this. Yeah, I actually have to get ready right now because it's at 9 o'clock, so I need to hurry. I wanted to show you my dress. So I actually ordered this dress like way back in January when I was on break. I just didn't think I would have time to like find a dress during this semester because I'm always so busy. But yeah, I got this from Lulu's and I don't know, I just really like the color. But this is what it looks like. But yeah. I'll have my mom film me when I'm walking across the stage and like when I'm all ready, so you'll see what it looks like. I'm kind of nervous. This is like really out of my comfort zone, but yeah, I didn't really get a graduation when I was in high school because I was homeschooled 3 years of my high school, so yeah, I graduated in middle school and in 5th grade, but that's kind of different.
Graphic Design. Catherine Bedelik, Bachelor of Arts, Graphic Design, magna cum laude. Abhigana Diana Kelly Davis, Bachelor of Arts, Art.
Please turn and face your loved ones. UW Parkside, faculty, staff, families, and friends. We proudly present the University of Wisconsin Parkside Class of 2022.
Everyone, this concludes the University of Wisconsin.
So guys, it's much later now. My hair is like a mess, but I just wanted to kind of tell you what we all did. Afterwards, we kind of just went out to eat for lunch, and yeah, that was pretty much it. But I was like really nervous, but it wasn't too bad. At first, when I was walking down the stage, I almost went the wrong way, but some lady had to direct me. But yeah, if you're wondering, my major was graphic design, so yeah, I'm finally finished with college. I've been going there for almost 5 years now, so, well, actually I started at a technical college for a year, but I only took 2 classes there, and then I transferred over to the college. I don't know if I should say the name on here because, I don't know, I'm just kind of weird about that type of stuff. I don't want random people finding out where I live, but yeah, then I decided to go to a 4-year college. So yeah, I have a degree in graphic design now. So I'm officially done. I'll probably have a graduation party, I'm thinking in August. So yeah, that won't be for a couple more months. So I don't know if I'm gonna vlog that. I was thinking about just putting it all together in this one video, but I think I'm just gonna post this video, so sorry it's a little bit of a short vlog, but I just kind of wanted to document this whole experience since I didn't really have a graduation when I was in high school. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching this, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!